Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We have our one-man brake bleeder bottle. It's time to do the flush. I kind of know what I'm doing, but let's still do some research to refresh our memory. I also need to pick up a few things, so let's make that shopping list. Okay, here are the few things we need. This butterfly hose clamp was recommended by JB on the video I uploaded last week. I really like Mr. Subaru for Outback DIY stuff. The main difference will be bleed sequence is front to rear instead of conventionally is rear to front. Here's another thread on the Subaru Outback forum going front to rear, and a YouTube video I found by Just Be Handy 2017 Subaru Outback front to rear. Let's go shopping. I got everything I need, and we are going O'Reilly's for brake cleaner and brake fluid because I don't think the brand makes a huge difference. I also surprisingly don't have any wrenches, so we are going inexpensive Pittsburgh. If one of these do break, I will upgrade them to a more expensive one. My plan today was to work on the K-Truck. I can't figure out why it started, but it does work, so we are pausing that and going back to the Outback. Let's jack it up and take the wheels off. All four wheels are off. I am going with 4 jack stands and keeping the floor jack engaged just in case, with a couple of old brake fluid that were open to pour a little in there. Some zip ties because I couldn't find butterfly clamps that were small enough. Let's get the front right set up. First one is done and everything looks pretty clean. The tube also fit nice and snug, so I didn't feel the need to use a zip tie. I'm also making sure to top off the master cylinder so I don't get any air into the system. Let's move on to the front left. Here is about how snug the tubing is for me. I'm sure using this a couple of times, I will need a new section eventually, but currently it's fitting pretty well. Let's set up the next one. I wanted to get a little bit of a different footage, so this part is set up and I already cracked it loose. I'm gonna go press on the brake now. Hopefully fluid's coming out. Beautiful. After tightening it up, I use a little brake cleaner. I've seen some videos saying the back wheels are 8mm, but everything has been 10 for me so far. Let's move over here to the last one. This is furthest from the master cylinder, so it will take a little more fluid. That was pretty easy. Luckily, no major problems. There did seem to be a good amount of dirty fluid in there, so very glad I did the flush. Video number 218 done.